Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to hollow out objects. So if you want to hollow out objects, we can use the thickness tools. As example, you can go to parametric body, create new sketch, and I will choose the top plane. For example, you can draw a rectangle, like I will create in here, rectangle object. Click close and use pad tools to convert into 3D. Now, if you want to create hollow, you can select the face, or you can click at this icon, thickness, and select the face. I will select the top face. Click OK to be hollow, only the top face. Okay, another like I will select in the top face and also in the front here. Click again, so to be hollow with these two face. If you want to create holes by using this thickness, you can click. And then you can rotate, select again in the bottom here. For the thickness, click in here, like I will set into 2. Click OK to apply. So that's it for a basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to hollow out object.